col finestrino abbassato, ma preferivo il motorino e la dance di 20 anni fa. Una partita a ping pong con gli amici, sgommar con le bici, scegli obbligo verità.
Ma qua la realtà, tutti in crisi di identità. Posta qua, taggala, pesce fritto e baccalà. Io sto sulla chaise longue, gazzosa all night long, e una voce si alzerà. Ho fatto una mangiara, cascate in Niagara, e il coccodrillo come fa? Il bagnino smozzerà. Voglio una vita di mangiare, birrette e onestà. Al lago resto un'eternità, poi vado al fiume e mi griglio 2 serve là. E sto in ziblette per tutta la notte. Son rotte vecchiotte, ma che senso di libertà. Vita, via al Natel, in piscina a Fen Bordel. Paga un giro e un altro ancora, che domani non si lavora. Andiamo all'open air, c'è anche Federer, e un tifoso commenterà. Ho fatto una mangiara, cascate in Niagara, e il coccodrillo come fa? Il bagnino smozzerà. Voglio una vita di mangiare, birrette e onestà. Apro lo zaino e dentro c'è un sandwich nell'alo preparato per me. Maruga e Busek, che fam che go, anche se mamma mi diceva sempre che prima di tuffarti aspetta 2 o 3 ore. Mamma mi diceva sempre che prima di tuffarti aspetta 2 o 3 ore. Ho fatto una mangiara, cascate in Niagara, e il coccodrillo come fa? Il bagnino smozzerà. Voglio una vita di mangiare, birrette e onestà.
You're the fear, I don't care, 'cause I've never been so high. Follow me through the dark, let me take you past the satellites. You can see the world you brought to life, to life. So love me like you do, love me like you do. Love me like you do, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Fading in, fading out, on the edge of paradise. Every inch of your skin is a holy grail I've gotta find. Only you can set my heart on fire, on fire. Yeah, I let you set the pace, 'cause I'm not thinking straight. My head's spinning around, I can't see clearly more. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, love me like you do, like you do. Love me like you do, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? So, before you go, was there something I could have said to make your heart beat better? If only I'd have known you had a storm to weather. So, before you go, they say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead when I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you, see you, see you every time. And oh my heart, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now dance for me, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey. And when you're down, I'll make you do it all again. On the first page of a story, the future seems so bright. Then the stand turned out so evil. I don't know why I'm still surprised. Even angels have their wicked schemes, and you take that to no extremes. But you'll always be my hero, even though you've lost your mind. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. That's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hurt me cry. That's alright, because I love the way you lie. Love the way you lie. Love the way you lie. I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. I hate to turn up right out the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight, and I hope to see my face, and that you'll be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you say sometimes it lasts alone, but sometimes it hurts instead. We don't talk anymore.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.